I'm here to guide you how you can send your zip files on your WhatsApp. First of all, you have to go to your file manager. And here on the file manager, you have to source the zip file. After that, you have to long press on this and go for the more option, which is on the lower beside the delete option. And here you have to go for rename. And you have to rename this zip.txt. After that, go for OK. And you have to change this file access on. After that, you have to long press on this. Go for send option. Here you have to send this zip file to WhatsApp and send the person that you want to send that file. So here you can see that I have sent my zip file to my friend. So they can open with the Yaml text viewer, Chrome, code, etc. So that's the simple process how to send zip files on WhatsApp by using that process. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Well, first of all, you have to go to your Facebook and you have to open up your Facebook. After that, on the top right, there is a 3-bar option. Go for that. And you have to scroll down and go for the setting and privacy. After that, click on the setting. So here on the setting option, you have to go for the personal detail. Go for the personal detail. And to link your Facebook to your Gmail, you have to click on the contact information, and here you have to link your Gmail to your account. So here you have to go for the add a new contact, and you have to add a Gmail or email. Then you have to add your email address here. Then you have to choose the account for this email. Go for next option. After that, your confirmation code will be sent to your Gmail. Then you have to go and open up your Gmail. So here you can see that you have got an confirmation code. You have to copy this and paste the confirmation code on this box. Go for next. So here you can see that you have added an email to your account. Go for close option. So here you can see on the contact information you have link and new Gmail to your Facebook. So that's the process how to link Facebook to your Gmail. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.